I'm not gonna give any crazy statements like the best slider ever used or the slider that you desperately need. While you're watching this video, remember 3 things. It is rather affordable, it is super portable and perfectly smooth. That's the Zeapon Micro 2. Let's get started. Hey, welcome to the channel, my name is Michael and what we do here is to inspect cool tech. This is one of the very few non-smart devices I'm reviewing these days, but in my opinion it's worth every penny, because it can bring your videos to the next level, especially if you shoot close-ups and product reviews. Before I get any further, a disclaimer. I got the item from Zeapon themselves a few months ago with the arrangement that I will test it and give them feedback. So I didn't really make any commitment of creating a review, but I like the slider so much that thought of giving it a shot and also figuring out whether there's room for such kind of equipment on the channel. In that sense, I'm not paid to create this review, and everything stated is based on my own experience and findings. If you look closely at the reviews I do, you gotta notice the pattern of me being a fan of portable, not too big and not too bulky devices, which deliver good quality and performance. This is exactly where the Micro 2 belongs to, one of the lightest and most portable and high quality and useful gadgets I get to use for shooting my videos. The attempt to keep things simple, and in combination with the fact that I still don't have a separate studio, sometimes I feel things are getting challenging. And one of my favorite things to do is to have the freedom to be at a different place when I decide to. And I've always loved these motion shots, where the product is on focus, but there is some action in the scene. Because staring at a table with a phone or any object without even moving, that's too boring. And these gentle motions have a huge impact should it come to product videography. The Micro 2 slider is priced at just above $200, which is certainly not cheap, but perfectly well justified should we look at the features, the build quality, size and effectiveness. If you add the Easylock base, and for that get prepared to pay $50 more, it could become an awesomely portable and powerful tool for videography. Having this unique design, I feel it is one of a kind, and we can easily compare it to bigger sliders. Before going further in the review, let's take a moment and have a look at this episode's sponsor, PDF Element by Wondershare. It is an all-in-one smart PDF editor, which has powerful features to edit, convert, annotate, sign, and fill PDFs. It is the best Acrobat alternative and a simple PDF editor to maximize your document productivity. Check out the latest version of PDF Element with its brand new user interface and super fast PDF editing engine, an OCR function, formats conversion and batch processing. To get more info and quick link to download the software, just head over to the description of the video. Sliding back now to the Zeapon Micro 2 and some words about the hardware. Going to demonstrate you the slider with the Easylock, and I actually used them both for almost 3 months. And if you follow the channel regularly, you've definitely seen scenes shot with this slider. The retail box is surprisingly small and slim for a device of that scale, and everything is very precisely packed. Inside, some tools, screws, the slider and a carrying bag. I like that bag a lot. It is made out of soft, fluffy fabric, and while just the Micro 2 perfectly fits inside, it is much tougher to get it inside with the Easylock on. Speaking of this Easylock, there it is, similar box and style of packaging, and the same superb kind of quality. It even arrives with a ball head, which is nice to have, but not functional enough. Already mentioned that main priority to me is being able to quickly mount and unmount without additional hassle. So I got this similar bow head to the one on my tripod and added it to the setup, and it works like charm. Just takes a few seconds to get the camera off the tripod and switch to the slider. On top of that, this ball head is more capable, and with some more patience and training, you will be able to get pretty decent shots with the ability to pan to the left or right while you're sliding. I know it sounds like something pretty difficult, but with some more training, it is well possible, and most of these shots are well worth the effort. Fair to mention some of the specifications, the main rail is 33 cm, but thanks to the double slide design, it covers up to 54 cm movements. Supported by industrial belt damping pulley, It is very silent and very precise, weighs just above 1 kilo and supports up to 8 kilogram cameras, so a Red Cinema camera or Blackmagic or full-frame DSLR with large lens won't be a problem. But you have to be careful when the camera gets closer to the edges, because it can fall down if you don't support the bases at all. The mounting options leave you even greater room for creativity. You can keep it placed on the ground or use a tripod and achieve these weird angles. Pretty much no matter what you do, this device will deliver good results. I like a lot one more of the features, this lock mechanism here in the middle, so it won't move around when you're traveling. And with the screws, you may adjust the smoothness of the mechanism. And there even is a built-in dust scraper, so now you don't have to worry about the environment where you use it at. Because studios are usually safe, but going outside on a windy day at a place with a lot of sand and dust, it's quite a different story. After 3 months with it, I feel like I know how to better utilize it as opposed to the beginning, especially after adding the premium bow head. It has more than what I hoped for, it feels very premium, and is also very portable. Easy to find space for it in the backpack, and super quick to be taken out. This is what I used to shoot with in the past, this little motorized dolly, but it is often too hot to fine-tune and has to always run on a very flat surface, and that's pretty limiting. The Micro 2 is a lot smoother and certainly not dependent on batteries, ropes or any other kind of accessories that can fail you at the most unsuitable moment. I can't say it is a must-have accessory or device, but to me seems like a perfect investment if you want something better than doing this, or this. So check the description of the video for getting more info and direct links to the product itself. This has been everything important about the Zeapon Micro 2. Small size, big impact. If the video has taught you about something and you find it useful, please reward me with a like. Another new subscriber is always nice to see, so consider that too. It's free of charge. My name is Michael, it's been a pleasure, and I can't wait to see you in the next episode. Have a great day!